we'll check out the guest room first. I don't mind checking out the guest room first.
Yeah, we just have one, and then we go back up here, and then we go back down to my office. So this is the one that where you have to put your keys, right? It's not activated yet, but you will have to put your keys in here to go to guest room floors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't need a key to the lobby type.
Okay, here we go down. 34.
Okay. You do this again where you thought, okay, yeah.
This is nice here.
Most of the guests are out for dinner.
So the destination is actually
You don't have any water.
yeah, and it's just used in the elevator unless there's a guest to say floor, sure.
Say again.
It's just you,
Mhm.
whatever your floor, it's just you get one guest. Unless
No,
there's
you
a
can.
guest to
We
say
have as
floor.
long as you have the key, you can go to any floor.
Oh, okay.
But if you don't have a key, you can only access so high if there's an event. Because so high, this one we restrict this too, right? So if there's no event, but when I call them later on, they will. Okay, let's go out so that you can do it from here.
So, which one?
You go amenity floors, and then you go lower lobby. All right.
B4.
So this one. You just use that. So sometimes it's that normal part. We have the tower section, which is 41st floor to 55th, right? So it bypass, once you get it from the bottom, from the ground floor, it bypasses first and fourth. So that's how just a different thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. After this, where are you going?
No more.
No more?
Just are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah. Have you gone around Times Square?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Times Square, and then we went to.
Oh, I have. Let's just go around. Little Italy in China.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yung pizza ba lang?
it's
We're stopping at 20,
Mga ano lang, slices.
21.
21st floor. Going down.
Dominick.
Hi.
I'm not worried about it.
It's weird that I have no visits on my profile. I don't know why that is.
There's no what?
Visits on my profile.
Lobby. Going down.